The kid had a bath. The man had a wig.
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 Gahi man.
Wig. A
Ba.
bug is in the bag. Saan ganin mo?
Ano sa man yun?
Did
Did.
no not
Not.
get wig with the pig is in a
Tab.
tub.
Ta. Ito ni.
Them sat not on a mat.
Balik ka itong pinakalas.
Asa ka na eh? Mehmet them sat on a mat.